Hi there, Dr. Wolfe here. This is a brief tutorial on working with sets in Python. Sets are great for storing multiple items in a single variable. They hold only unique values, so if we were to load a list of data or such into a set, it would automatically give us just unique entries. Let's see how this works. So what we'll do is create a new set. I'm going to call this my set of numbers, and we'll set that equal to, we'll use set as the keyword. We'll use curly braces, and let's use some values like 100, 200, 300, and 400. Okay, so we create our set here, and what we're going to actually go ahead and do next is we're just going to print that out. So print the set, and what we can do is just do print my set of numbers and just double check to make sure all this works good. You see the output down below, 100, 200, 100, 400, and then 300. Okay, so that's all set, no pun intended. We're going to add some values to the set, add more values. Let's go my set of numbers dot add. And what we're going to say is let's stick in some numbers in between. So let's do 175. Let's do another my set of numbers dot add 275, and then do my set of numbers dot add 375. And just for the heck of it, let's stick another 400 in there. All right, let's see what happens. So let's print the set again in this case. And we will print it. And we see the first time it prints out 200, 100, 400, and 300, matching the values we've loaded in. And then now we see 100, 200, 300, 175, 400, 275, 375. We do not see the 400 twice. Okay. Now, can we take an item away from a set? We can remove items. We can just do my set of numbers, so the variable name dot remove. Okay, and then the item we want to remove. Let's say we don't want the 175 in there anymore, and we can do the print one more time. And what we'll see is that the 175 is missing. So let's run a test case real quick. And if we compare, we see the 175 is no longer because of the remove has actually occurred. So what we can also check is if we type my set of numbers one more time, and if you look, there's a drop down here of other capabilities that might work with this actual capability of a set. So what I'm curious about is what we would use with this set to actually produce something that was in order, and how we would actually handle that. And we look real quick as we go down through the list is we don't have that ability in terms of a sort. So we can't actually sort this set. And the reason I bring that up, because probably some of you are wondering from this tutorial, is that I printed 100, 200, 300, 400 as the numbers that I added, but we saw it didn't keep it in the same order of how it was entered. 200 came first. I'm not going to answer that question in this tutorial, but I want to spark your awareness, challenge you to figure out what the answer is, and then check back to a future tutorial to figure out how we can go about sorting this set of numbers so that it actually flows in order, or figure out why it didn't stay in the order in which I added items. So more to come on that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.